Welcome to Vanita Vishram Women's University's Department of English, which is a part of School of Humanities and Social Sciences. We offer BA, MA and PhD in English. We have highly qualified faculties who are ever ready to instill a love of literature and critical thinking to our students.
Our department offers various courses for bachelor's and master's, including feminist literature, diaspora literature, children's literature, American literature, Indian English literature, British literature, classical literature, literary criticism and theory. Apart from this, we are having soft skill program, academic writing, personal grooming and etiquette. These are the programs given by our department.
English as a lingua franca connects people all over the world. Our master level course, English language teaching, prepares students to be effective educators using modern approaches.
Department of English also provides practical courses such as translation, appreciating literature, editing and proofreading, and research methodology, and prepare our students for the real-world experiences.
Research is an important component of the MA English curriculum. Here, we have qualified faculties who are helping the students in submitting their proposals and guiding their dissertations to support them further in their PhD studies and professional career.
Our department is the only department that teach courses like functional English and communication skills to the students of all schools in the university as ability enhancement course. We are committed to enhance the ability of students for their academic and professional success.
Our classes are designed for encourage active engagement in such activities like presentation, group discussion, mock interviews, role play that help students to collaborate and enhance their learning skill more.
Parent-teacher meeting, or PTMs as we call it, are essential for ensuring communication and collaboration between faculties and parents. We at the Department of English conduct PTMs every semester. We invite the parents so that they are able to discuss their issues with the teachers and bring them to the table for discussion with us. Apart from that, Department of English has allocated mentors for each class of the department, and these mentors are responsible for taking care of the issues and problems which the students face.
Events such as conferences, picnic, enigma and essay competitions are vital for students' growth because they promote knowledge sharing, teamwork and critical thinking. They improve writing skills, resulting in a well-rounded education experience.
Practical knowledge along with theory is a key to better understanding and applying knowledge effectively. It helps the students bridge the gap between doing and learning. It helps the students see the concepts in action.
The Department of English signs MOUs with various companies to provide practical exposure and training to the students of the department.
The classroom is well equipped with projectors, speakers and smart boards to make learning process very interactive and interesting. These equipments help us to make interactive session in the class.
Department of English offers a variety of job opportunities, including those of teachers, professors, translators, content writers, radio jockeys, advertising companies and government occupations. Our graduates are well prepared for competitive examinations, which opens up a variety of professional opportunities.